Hey there, tech enthusiast! Welcome back to another exciting video brought to you by TheGizmoGleam, your go-to destinations for all things smart home tech. With easy shipping worldwide and a reputation you can easily trust, TheGizmoGleam is here to make your tech dreams a reality. And guess what? As a special treat, you qualify for a whopping 50% off and free shipping on your first order when you sign up with us. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure through the world of smart home gadgets that's gonna be as thrilling as a roller coaster ride. Alright, let's kick things off with the smart thermostats, the superheroes of energy efficiency in your home. Meet the Wi-Fi smart thermostat brought to you by Tuya, available on the website. Ready to save the day with its remote control capabilities and sleek design. And guess what? Installing this bad boy is way easier than teaching your grandpa how to use emojis. But hey, if you prefer the classics, then check out the next learning thermostat brought to you by Google on Amazon. It's like having a personal assistant for your HVAC system, minus the coffee runs of course. Next up, we've got the smart doorbell cameras, the guardians of your front porch. Feast your eyes on the smart Wi-Fi video doorbell brought to you by Tuya once again. Here to fend off the pesky package thieves with its motion detection and two-way audio. And guess what? Installation is so easy, even your uncle who struggles with technology could do it. But if you're feeling even fancier, then the Ring Video Doorbell Pro on Amazon is like having your own personal bouncer right in front of your doorstep. With customizable motion zones and pre-roll video previews, it's got your back, your front, and basically your sides covered. Now, let's talk about smart home security systems, the Fort Knox overall board. Feast your eyes on the wireless home security alarm system brought to you by Kerry, available on our website once again. With its army of sensors and its do-it-yourself installation, very friendly. It is so easy to set up that you'd even have time to binge watch your favorite TV shows afterwards. And if you're in the market for something that screams, business, check out the SimpliSafe wireless home security system on Amazon. With its customizable monitoring plans and its easy do-it-yourself installation as well, you'll sleep like a baby knowing your home is safe and sound. Alright, who's ready to light up their life with some smart lighting solutions? Introducing the smart LED bulb brought to you by Light. Ready to dazzle your senses with customizable brightness and color options. And guess what? Installation is as easy as flipping a switch, quite literally. But if you're feeling even fancier, then the Hue White and the Color Ambient Smart Bulb Starter Kit brought to you by Philips on Amazon it's like having a disco party in every room. With its extensive color palette and its integration with popular smart home platforms, you just be living in the future basically. Lock and load folks. It's time to upgrade your home security with some smart locks. Feast your eyes on the smart Bluetooth door lock brought to you by Tuya, available on our website. With its futuristic design and easy installation, it's like having something straight out of a sci-fi movie but without the aliens basically. And if you're all about that seamless integration, then the August Smart Lock Pro on Amazon is your way to go. With its compatibility with all the major smart home ecosystems, you'd be the envy of your neighbors in no time. Alright folks, it's literally time to make any device in your home smart with some nifty smart plugs and outlets. Check out the Wi-Fi smart plug brought to you by Sonoff, available on our website as well. Ready to turn your regular appliances into tech-savvy wonders with its easy setup. It's like magic, but without the magician's hat basically. And if you're all about that energy monitoring life, then the TP-Link Casa Smart Plug on Amazon is here to save the day. With its voice control features and energy monitoring capabilities, you'll be the king or queen of the efficiency in your castle in no time. Safety first folks. let's talk about smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, the silent guardians of your home. Feast your eyes on the smart Wi-Fi carbon monoxide detector, brought to you by Tuya once again, available on the website as well. With its reliable performance and easy installation, it is so easy that even your goldfish can do it. And if you're all about that double dose of protection, then the first allowed smoke detector and carbon monoxide alarm on Amazon is your way to go. With its dual sensor technology and compatibility with Z-Wave smart home hubs, you'll be breathing easy in no time. Last but not the least, let's talk about smart home assistants, the brains behind the operation. Meet the Xiaomi AI speaker. This is basically available on the website as well, ready to turn your home into futuristic paradise with its voice control and music playback features. Installation is as easy as pie, and it's twice as delicious. And if you're all about that Alexa life, of course, then the Amazon Echo Dot 4th generation on Amazon is here to grant your every wish. With its compact design and its powerful voice assistance, with options from both platforms, you'd be living in the future. So there you have it, folks. 8 essential categories of smart home gadgets that will literally take your home from drab to fab in no time. Whether you're shopping on the website, which is TheGizmoGleam, or on Amazon, you're in for a treat with easy installation, reliable performance, and a whole lot of tech magic as well. So what are you waiting for? Sign up with the TheGizmoGleam today to score 50% off and free shipping on your first order, and let the home revolution begin. Also, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, or even give this video a thumbs up, or even share it with your friends if you feel like you found this information helpful. And you can drop a comment below as well, let us know about your thoughts, or even tell us what you'd like to see next on the channel. It simply helps us to create quality content tailored to your interests. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.